gonna be so fun. What rides do you want to go on most?
Peter Pan, Pirates, what else?
Let's see, there was one other one we were thinking of. Yes, and the dwarves.
We're so excited.
It'll be so good.
Yeah.
It worked! Magic Kingdom! Mickey face! All the magnolia trees are so pretty. Got our guide map, ready to go. Train station, Minnie and Walt. The castle's huge! Ooh. Look how pretty it is inside the castle. Hello! We're in line at Snow White in the Seven Dwarfs mine carts. Where's Snow White? So I just hopped out of the Seven Dwarfs ride because I just wanted to wait with Bonnie, but can't ride it since I'm pregnant. But we're going to Pinocchio's Village Haas for lunch to get some salads and flatbread pizza. All right, we got our lunch. Pirates! And there's a captain up there or something. The dirty foot. Swiss Family Robinson. Ew, this is so fun. The dining room. Country Bear Jamboree. It's exciting in here. I can't wait.
And right now, I give you a solid assortment of execution.
Oh yeah, the crowd's loving it. So Haunted Mansion. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh, wow. This is so cool here. Who are we gonna get? Ah! He put his head on you. Ah! We're on the carousel. This is my horse. Ah. Last time when Bonnie and I were at Disneyland, Belle and the Beast were riding the carousel. Not today. It's us riding. Move over. Pregnant feet up. I'm happy. Castle. So pretty.
It's laughter they're after it.
Ratatouille. There's a bunny, a Disney bunny.
Hello. Hi, Jumper.
Adventureland. Skipper Canteen, how fun. This is the mess hall. This is so cool. Butterflies. Ooh, all the rooms are so neat. Here's us. This menu looks so fun. I know Jake would get that slushie. Oh my goodness. This is the Schweitzer's Balls slush. Looks pretty good. Those boba balls look so fun. How fun. This is the sea shumai. We got the sustainable fish. Parrot lights. This room is so cute. Leopard chairs. Castle's looking pretty at night. The best time of the day when it goes dark. Gaston's Tavern. We're going to the is this? Wow. I hope we see Max the dog.
Nobody beats us by us again.
They're so scary. Dumbo! And guess what? There's two! So cool! Check out this Dumbo wait line. It's so cute. But the wait's only 10 minutes. Woo! Amazing Dumbo! So cute! Here's ours! Flying high! We're on the Dumbo ride! There's so many cute Dumbo plushes. I like this one with the mom and the baby. Circus Peanut and Dumbo. Okay, these are the cutest treats. Time for a Mickey pretzel. Teacups, fireworks, living the life. Mickey teacups. Are you having fun? Winnie the Pooh, 5 minutes. Such a cute wait line. Here we go. Oh, it's so cute.
The East Wind traded places.
Gopher.
If you ask me, he'll never reach that tree.
Mommy! Mommy! Oh dear! Hang on tight, Lizzo!
This is different than the one at Disneyland. Peter Pan. Tinkerbell. In London. Mermaids look good. It's a small world. 15 minutes. Let's do it. Cruise. There's Eeyore. He's waving out the window. That's so cute. Hi, Eeyore. Check out this Fox and the Hound. That is so stinking cute. And there's even little paw prints on the back. Candy. We're all finished.
Yep.
It's almost midnight. It was a great day.
We're tired.